quem você está mapeando de projeto, de uma organização, que exatamente?
Bom, agora que nós me referir mais bem como que é partnership que nós temos com a Universidade de Twente, Dr. Varia, tremendamente conhecimento amplo sobre o terreno na tecnologia. Então, junto conosco vai trabalhar
Com a Universidade de Varsóvia.
E vai vir consórcio bastante grande para nos ampliar nosso conhecimento.
Okay. So, no, go ahead.
dirigir ahora la palabra a Dr. Faria, que Tomás.
The Resilient Island Workshop.
Yes.
Now, the word island is specifically mentioned in the title of the workshop because we are on an island, but I'm sure this applies to many other projects that you are a part of or you've been a part of. What can you tell us about this concept?
Yeah, so Nicole, thank you very much for letting us come here today. Honestly, the idea is in essence is to as Filomena already explained, is to develop technologies that integrated can allow us to generate in a sustainable way water that is drinkable fresh water that can be either used for agricultural purposes or for drinking purposes. Generate electricity from sustainable resources, but at the same time, this electricity has to be storable. That means that we use it when we need it, not when the wind blows or when the sun is there.
Right.
And we also want to then generate a chemical that is called ammonia that can be either used as a fertilizer or that can be used as an energy carrier. So we can now provide farmers the opportunity to generate what they need to grow a crop. It's water and fertilizer.
Wow.
And using renewable energies. So you would use water from the sea or from a well in the ground, or and you combine that with air and renewable electricity. Now, all these things, of course, integrated, would be very unique. Only very few people have tried this before.
Okay,
And
so it's not something that is widely applied anywhere yet.
yes,
Okay.
so that's a uniqueness of our project. So we are not only piloting this in an island, which is also probably the first time that this is done, but it's also the first time that this is ever tried in such a way anywhere.
But it works.
Well, that's what we have to. So every single
So this
part.
would be like a test.
Yes.
To see if it works the way
So-
it should be.
So the idea of our proposal is that we combine what the technologies that we have at hand in a unit, and then we bring this to the island of Curaçao, at the location of the University of Curaçao. Now we have a facility in which we can understand what happens if we feed water from the island, what happens if we try to change how much energy we put in, and see if the system is able to withstand this, because renewable energies and renewable feedstocks, they vary continuously. And that's the question, can we make this work?
So again, is this the first time you'll be trying it? Okay, in Curacao, it's the first time, but have you tried it in other communities before?
No,
No.
what
It's
we
completely a
completely,
pilot program.
yeah.
Okay. And if it is successful, or no, let me backtrack. When will you start it, or has it started already, or are you planting a seed, hoping to start it? Where are you right now?
Yeah,
with
so,
this project?
So the way this works is that we submitted a proposal, a pre-proposal to the Dutch Science Foundation, so that's the NWO,
Okay.
and we received a grant, a pre-grant that allowed us to, for example, organize this workshop
Okay.
and set up a big consortium, which we have companies, we have government agencies, we have universities from all over the Caribbean, as well as from all of the Netherlands. And this consortium and this workshop allow us now, together with the communities and all these other stakeholders, create a proposal, a full proposal for 3.5 million euros that will allow us to really develop these research and education clusters. So we have this prototype deployed here that we can then use to train students at the University of Curaçao, bring students from other universities in the Caribbean to do this kind of first-hand learning experience.
Wow. So it's project, let's say, with various steps that are very important, right? Quem está formando parte de um workshop e DNR?
Aqui nos invitamos diferentes companhias, diferentes institutos de educação, da Universidade de Aruba, assim, né?